Hello and welcome to CMT Trade Fair Stuttgart Challenger 260 motorhome. Comes in the same form in the Chausson. First person to guess the Chausson, or correctly say the name of the vehicle in the Chausson will have their comment pinned. And so this is a 7-meter long vehicle, 699, 235 wide at the, and there's the cost, 77,000 more almost. What this has got is up there, it's got this big bed and it's got this enormous lounge in it. Now I believe this is a sort of thing that could suit somebody on a full-time basis, as long as they're not living in somewhere cold, because it's got this wonderful rear to it. And so you've got a big toilet, a big shower through here, so domestic sized shower, and here is the pièce de résistance. There you go, speaking in French for the French motorhome. Got this enormous wardrobe up here, so they've got a bar above, you've got somewhere drawers in here and shelves. This I really like this huge amount of space that we've got from in here. And people have criticised me for saying things like about storage for clothes. Well, if you'd never change your clothes, then it doesn't make any difference, does it? But if you're going away for long periods of time, or there's a number of you in the vehicle, then I think you really do want to have something like that. And this closes like that. I really appreciate this vehicle. Anyway, there's the bed above. The bed will drop down electronically. There is a second option with this. You can have 2 single beds up there, and they will also drop down. In fact, you've just dropped one down, I think. The advantage is, of course, look at all this space down there, and you can make another bed up down below. So that's it's a sleep 4 if necessary, and it offers all of this space down there. Now, I said full timer. I very much believe in double floors. You're not going to get double floor at this price and equipment level, but if you are living it long term as well, I do suggest very strongly double floor. But if you think going somewhere where the temperature doesn't drop that much, okay, why not something like this? Here you've got 2 burners, you've got a sink, you've got a kitchen block with indirect lighting. You've got over here a fridge, a freezer, a place for your television. We'd have to get something that comes out. You've got here, oops, that was open. There's the see, that's got the place for the television. Oh, so the television's got to go in here, right? Okay. That's got the, what do you call it, the plug for it. So I'm quite impressed by this vehicle. Oh, another thing, how much standing height underneath? Let's have a look. There's me standing under it. Look at all this space I've got under it. There you go. So I am 175 centimeters, 5'10", and so there's plenty of space under it. There you go. Just to make the point, I put my hand on the low part of the bed. I think this is great. And more storage up here as well. It comes with a curtain. Oh, it's almost a curtain anyway. All right, almost a curtain. I mean, you've got the blackout blind here in your case, and there should be somewhere a mosquito net, and there it is, and that can attach to this as well. I like this lighting. I think that sort of thing appeals to me. The lighting has really got very good, in my opinion, in motorhomes in recent years. They've got a window with a door in, only this one's got some of the information about it, such as security packet, which is as standard. You've got the tempo mat, I always forget this word in English, cruise control, that's it. You've got 16-inch hubs, and you've got windows, automatic, the grey Satan van got no word in English. Anyway, never mind. It's got so it'll come back to me as soon as anyway. English is my first language as well. This happens to me all the time. I forget things like this. Automatic gearbox. It's got a connect packet. It's got automatic climate control in the up front, and it's got an equipment packet and the white. I can't remember Satan van in English. Oh, this is embarrassing. Actually, the more videos I do, the more often it happens. Having said that, I was talking to somebody. I was giving a presentation yesterday in German, and I forgot something really basic word. I got quite excited about the bit of electronic equipment I was presenting. Anyway, I think they took it more as a joke rather than as me not knowing what I was talking about. So good. There you have this motorhome. I think it's suitable for full-time use because of this massive amount of storage that it can offer, and let's see. I'll take you into the 240 version as well. There's something in here I want to show you anyway. Beds up there, different lounge layout here, and the certain very different washroom layout. This here is the same. There you go. Kitchen block is the same if in a different position. You've got access down here to your garage, which I don't think I showed you in the other one, but you've got access to it and down there as well. Storage. Slightly different looking version. You've got some bars there so it'll remind you of prison, and the fridge is here. It's a long, big, thin fridge. Big one, that one, isn't it? And washroom, somewhat similar to vans, which are have a side washroom, so they have the same thing in Challenge and Chausson, but not as good as the one as in the first one. Do you want to see the 270? Alright, we'll go on the 270. Now you've got 2 single beds up there, and the rest of it is the same. Entrance to the storage down there in the garage. Looks a bit uglier, this one, I think, with the single beds, but anyway, of course it's harder to make two single beds look more attractive. And the garage, at the other side, it's even bigger, and I shall show you that now because I can't show it on the one from up here. See the garage, there's the garage, but it's got this extra bit up there. And this here can go like that, and that can hold that in place like that. Good. Okay, I hope you found that interesting, and upload every day at 21:15. If you're interested in this sort of thing, then you might want to subscribe. For the moment, from me in Germany, thanks for watching. Bye for now.